Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to learn how to describe people in English. Being able to talk about someone's appearance, personality, or characteristics is an important part of everyday conversation. So, let's go over some key vocabulary and phrases to help you describe people clearly and confidently. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how to describe someone's physical appearance. Here are some common words you can use to describe height, build, and facial features. Height. He is tall, she is short, or they are of medium height. Build. He is slim, she is muscular, or they are average build. Hair color and style. She has long brown hair, he has short black hair, or they have curly blonde hair. You can also describe eye color. She has blue eyes, or he has brown eyes. These phrases help you give a simple description of someone's physical appearance. Next, let's talk about describing someone's personality. Use these adjectives to talk about what someone is like. She is friendly and outgoing. He is shy and quiet. They are funny and talkative. You can also use other adjectives like kind, helpful, serious, or creative to describe different aspects of a person's character. For example, my friend is very creative, she loves to paint, or my brother is funny. He always tells jokes. These words help you describe how someone behaves or interacts with others. To describe someone's age, use simple phrases like, she is young. He is middle-aged. They are in their 20s. If you want to be more specific, you can say, he is 25 years old, or she is in her 30s. Remember to be polite when talking about age, as it can be a sensitive topic for some people. You can also describe what someone is wearing or their style. For example, he is wearing a blue shirt and jeans. She has on a red dress and black shoes. They are dressed casually. To describe style, you can say things like, she is fashionable, or he dresses casually. These descriptions are useful for conversations about fashion or when you need to describe what someone looks like. Now, let's combine these descriptions to create a fuller picture of a person. For example, she is tall, has long blonde hair, and is very friendly. She loves to help others and always has a smile on her face. He is short and slim with brown eyes. He's a bit shy, but very kind. They are in their 20s, have curly black hair, and are always dressed in casual clothes. They are also very funny and outgoing. By combining physical and personality descriptions, you can give a clear and detailed picture of the person you're talking about. Quick review: physical appearance. He is tall and has blue eyes. Personality. She is friendly and talkative. Age. He is in his 30s. Clothing and style. They are wearing jeans and a t-shirt. Combining descriptions. She is slim, has curly hair, and is very outgoing. With these phrases, you'll be able to describe people in English with confidence. Practice describing people you know, like friends, family, or even celebrities, to improve your fluency. The more you practice, the easier it will be to talk about people's appearance and personality in everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more English lessons and tips for beginners. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!